what appliances, tools, accessories do you need in the kitchen to really be able to minimize the amount of time it takes to do your prep work, your cooking, and your cleanup. The skillet is 36 inches wide.
Now, is it the size that is the...
It's the size.
Okay, so size does matter. It is really... it's the primary driver. It's not saying like... Yeah.
The amount of space is what really saves you the time. Because, for example, I was able to cook just this past weekend 35 chicken thighs at one time. I was able to cook them with different seasoning and different sauces, and so I had an ability to keep them separated from each other. The ability for me to cook, 30 plus chicken thighs roughly equates to, for my wife and I, about a week's worth of meals.